My name's Jessica. I'm one of the tutors at Bronzefield Prison. I teach art in Jailbird's social enterprise. We teach a number of different techniques such as painting and drawing. We also use paper for both sculpture, and also we make cards throughout the year. We teach bead making and also soap carving, and we also have sewing, both sewing with machines and sewing by hand. We work with a number of different charities throughout the year, different projects and competitions, and we do both in-cell projects and projects in the workshop, both individual projects and also group projects. So What's Gallery Outreach Department is really a collaboration that we've had since 2009, and it's really a highlight of our calendar year. So the charity fund 2 artists to come in for 3 days, and those artists come in and work with our residents. They start with an introduction to What's Gallery, and then they do different demonstrations. The women will then start to draw their different designs, and then they will start with single colour prints and will go on to more complex. Some of them will go on to more complex 3 colour prints in those 3 days. At the end of the 3 days, the work is taken away for the outreach exhibition to be sold for the charity at the annual exhibition. And in 2019 we had an exhibition at Bronzefield Community Cafe where we exhibited the work from the What's Gallery, and we actually had a sellout show which was really great. So we also exhibited the work at Bronzefield in February 2020 at the Pimlico Opera performances of Hairspray. That was in February. Sold some of the work there, and we also have already planned an exhibition in early 2021 at the Sodexo head office. So the impact of the What's Gallery is really quite dramatic. So the artists come in and obviously teach right from the very beginning. Some of our residents are a bit hesitant and maybe a bit shy, and they really get straight into it and build confidence and get more and more daring, and really have quite good fun as well. So there's quite a lot of excitement, but also a lot of pride, and lots of ladies are really surprised at the amazing prints that they will produce. So it doesn't really stop there, it gets better. So the work is actually shown to the residents when it's framed, and when we show the residents the framed work, which looks so beautiful once the charity has framed it, the residents gather round and they are really amazed, because it does look so beautiful. The prints look absolutely gorgeous. And so then we tell the residents about the exhibitions, and also luckily we are able to go and tell the residents when their work is actually sold, and again that brings really great joy, and often the women are really surprised that their work has sold. So it really is very good for self-confidence, and obviously for building new skills in art and design, learning that they can earn money by selling their work. But there's different levels of joy that the collaboration bring to our residents. Thank you.